Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix that you are not seeing settings button in Meta Business Suite. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account, and then you need to select your page and go into the Meta Business Suite. So in Meta Business Suite, sometimes you're missing this option, that is settings. So how you can get that? You simply need to go and you simply need to select your business account. But let's suppose if you are on another business account, so sometimes you miss this option of settings. So this is the option, and this is the first method that you can do. And the second method is you simply need to go into your Meta Business Suite, so on your business account. So let's pause here and click on settings. Sometime if you are not seeing, you simply need to click on help, and you can click on give your feedback, or you can click on help, and here you can see different options. So but there is no option here that you can use to access this feature. So you simply need to only select your right business account, and once you select your right business account, you can easily get access to settings. But if you are on home, you can see there is no any other option that you can use to fix this. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.